start right in the morning.
Okay, I'm not gonna say any. No.
So when I bought the car, my charge pipes broke the next day. Why do you ask? I don't know. It's not like I beat the car up really hard. I don't know. BMW makes their cars with plastic charge pipes and rubber boost pipes. With all the heat in the engine, these parts are prone to breaking. And this car is, as of today, around 10 years old. It's a 2012 car, and the charge pipes have lasted the 10 years lifespan of the car. So it's time for a change. Either way, if broken or not, it's not completely broken off. So as you can tell, I'm still driving the car, but it has some, like, it's not in the best condition and it needs changing. So right now we are gonna go grab some charge pipes from FTP Motorsports. It's an aluminum charge pipe and boost pipe set. All the plastic and rubber is gonna go out and we're gonna replace it with aluminum. We are at Z Auto Service, greatest F30 shop that like everyone I know come to. He's gonna teach me how to do it and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Let's go. Crazy how many cars have like their engines out in this shop. We have another 328i over here. It's an interesting exhaust. What the hell is this pipe doing? All right, let's go. I have a lizard living on my car. I want to close the door so it doesn't go in. I have a pet lizard. It's just sitting there every day. It doesn't go. If the lizard goes inside my car, I will sell the car. So this is the charge pipe that is not in the best condition. Plastic. Here, over here is called the boost pipe, which is rubber. As you can see, it's very soft. I'm gonna take it out right now. We have this FTP Motorsports. You need to put these in your engine. This is your... Bro, what is this? The charge pipe? Yeah, this is the charge pipe. It's the top head, I guess. Yeah, this comes here.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna look sick.
That's gonna look sick. We will bubble wrap the engine.
Yeah, bubble wrap the
extra protection for the engine. And then we have the rest of the charge pipe. Huge and very high quality. This is the boost pipe. Yeah. So we'll open this connector for the air filter housing and open up the clip, huh? Yeah. Did you know that not subscribing to my channel has severe side effects, like not getting to watch all of my awesome content that I upload every week? Have you never watched any motivational speak? They always say you should not follow the majority and you should always follow the minority. And in my case, follow the 6% of people who have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe down below. No, in serious note, please share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you like the content. We really put a lot of time and effort for you guys to enjoy videos, and I'm spending way too much money. So get me to 1,000 subscribers and I really appreciate it. Back to the video. Okay.
You just pull here.
Never done anything like this in my life, but this is so cool. I would like to mention that I did all of the hard work.
Oh yeah.
Yes, yes. He didn't just spend 30 minutes. I don't even know how to take this out. This stupid thing.
Some rats.
So this goes out, this goes in. Bro, thank you so much. Rubber, but we're gonna change it to aluminum so that when we push for more power, this is not gonna rip off. And this is gonna be hard. We fitted the boost pipe. We are actually, he is, I'm not sure why I'm saying we, but changing out the charge pipe now. Boost pipe was very hard. Gonna change it now, right? Today.
Open this clip.
Okay.
And then this small hose.
Oh, I'm doing the
Honors.
hard job. Okay, so this is broken, right?
Yeah.
And what happens when it's broken like this? I lose power.
Yeah.
This is where all my drivetrain faults were coming from. Getting it changed, as you can see, there's a lot of difference. So I think later, if anything is gonna wear out, is those rubbers, then I can just change the rubber, right?
Just change the rubber.
So this is the old charge pipe. As you can see, it's plastic. And this is the new one, which is aluminum. It's a bit heavier, not a lot. But as you can tell, this old one has worn out and has melted parts, which is what happens when you have plastic in the hot areas in your engine and you drive the car hard. But this, you're never gonna have that problem with these charge pipes. And it's red, that's nice. But let's go install this in, take care of a few more things that need to be taken care of in my engine. So as you can tell, this pipe is also broken. Oh, that's nice. Kinda happy they only had red. Okay, so what is this? The air
Intake.
air intake.
See, broken.
Seal broken. This is what we should change to
Yeah,
MST.
yeah.
I have a leaking turbo, bro. I should not buy air intake first.
Also a leaky wallet.
A leaky wallet. But bro, I love the sound the intake makes, bro. I love it. Especially combined with the exhaust.
So many holes.
So many hose. Dirty hose. Okay, please tell me all of this is normal.
Normal.
Normal. So the water hose, we're gonna change it out before it starts leaking.
Because the amount of power you were losing before.
I was losing a lot of power. So the air hose was broken. The charge pipe was leaking. The boost pipe was okay. Boost pipe was okay, but even when Kogu was driving my car, told me that he's getting no power out of it. So hopefully after today, we're gonna be full power. So what's happening here? This looks very old and up. This we will change, brand new. What if we do an engine swap? Put the N55 in here. You will do it?
No.
No.
What is change to M4?
Change to M4? Just sell the car and buy M4. Who was taking care of this car before me? I don't know.
Okay, these two water hose.
Okay.
You see the hose?
Oh my God.
No.
Okay, so the reason that there is so many things like this with this car is, like he said, it's because my previous owner was broke and he never give a shit to change a cheap hose. This is the air hose. And as you can tell, this is not in good condition. I'm not gonna tune the car until I'm 100% sure about everything, the condition of everything in this engine. Driving it for a month and a half now, so figuring out all the wear and tear and all the maintenance that needs to be done. Then only after I'm 100% sure that everything is in perfect condition and the engine can handle. What did we do today? We did the charge pipe, we did the boost pipe, both in aluminum pieces. We changed the air hose, we changed the water hose, and we changed the air intake of the car to original parts so that there will be no more air or water leak on the car. We cleared the code, see whether I'll get any other fault codes anytime soon. We're gonna come back and do something. I'm so excited about this car. We are gonna make it perfect. When I bought this car, I didn't buy it in perfect condition. Of course, the main parts of the car that are running were in good condition, but didn't look for the perfectly maintained car. I looked for the car that I can work on and make it perfect on my own, so that we get to shoot a lot of content for the channel and we get to enjoy the process, because I really enjoy this stuff a lot. I hope you enjoy it here as well with me. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers if you think I deserve more than whatever I have right now, which is around 650 at this point. Ask your friends to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. My new host. Yeah, these hosts ain't loyal.